Hello everyone. A very good afternoon. And it is good to be here in Geneva for the Meteorological Technology World Expo. My name is Johnny Ruangmei. I am the Joint Chief Executive Officer from the Nagaland State Disaster Management Authority, the government of Nagaland. Nagaland is a small state located in the northeastern part of India, bordering Myanmar and closer to China. We are responsible for responding to emergencies in our region. Today, I will be bringing to you the perspective of disaster management practitioners, the paramount importance of precision weather prediction in the context of extreme weather events. Disaster and extreme weather events are no longer if, but it's all matter about when it will happen. We all come from different countries, from different backgrounds, and we are here as maybe scholars, maybe as manufacturers, industries. We are here with a unifying element that is to reimagine new possibilities of precision weather predictions. All our efforts to solve world challenges through the use of technology for transformative purpose of humanity. I would like to quote His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum. He says, "The future belongs to those who can imagine it, design it, and execute it." The future is not something that you await to happen. Indeed, when we talk about extreme weather events and disasters, it is something that we need to create. Technology today is leading us exponentially to create that future we all want. To know the adverse weather conditions is great, but precision prediction of weather condition of the particular location would be a resilience leap towards a safer community. I believe all the manufacturing companies here are focusing and working towards this goal and possibilities. Precision weather prediction is crucial for emergency responders, and it is proven and it has an evidence in saving life and properties. In the year 1999, in India, there was a big cyclone that hit 25th to 3rd of November. The total fatality of that cyclone was 15,000 people. And it affected Odisha in India, Bangladesh, Thailand, and Myanmar. And the cost or the damage caused by that cyclone was 4.44 billion USD in 1999. And in the year 2020, between 20 and 21st of May, a similar cyclone was hit again at the same location. The total fatality in 2020 was 128. Of course, one life lost is bad. We are here to save everyone and not to leave anyone behind. The impact during that year was 13.7 billion USD in 2020. If you really look at the costs of casualties, you may say 1999 was less and 2020 was more. It is because by then 2020, the infrastructure has increased, the facilities has increased. That's the reason when where we have more cost damage. But if you really look at it, the fatalities. Now the precision weather predictions has really helped reduce the fatalities from 1999 to 2020. Because by 2020, we have more technologies, we are able to monitor and track minute to minute the event of extreme weather. The emerging technologies have been improving disaster response. Government agencies and emergency responders use precision weather prediction to prepare for and to respond to extreme weather events efficiently and effectively. The Agenda for Sustainable Development Goal 2030 has 17 Sustainable Development Goals established by the United Nations. 4 goals out of the 17 goals, 1, 2, 11, and 13 refer to the need of nations and communities to address the challenges related to natural hazard, emergency, and disasters. This has given a gateway for all of us sitting here to work towards precision weather predictions, maybe in the form of developing more reliable, more efficient technologies, more capable technologies, or maybe in terms of robust data analysis. Emerging drivers. Computing power has exponentially increased and doubled every 18 months. Several companies such as Tomorrow.io, I think one of the companies there at the front today, and Expo.ai, IBM, the weather company, Zoa.ai, Zoa.ai is a Switzerland-based company, and Pango Weather, Hawaii, Google Deep Learning. These are the companies leveraging on AI, machine learning, deep learning for forecasting weather and natural calamities combined with deep neural network and numerical weather predictions methods. Extreme weather precision prediction in advance with an increased accuracy for targeted region could enhance better preparedness to reduce loss of life and property damage. The plethora of opportunities in quantum computing will improve by handling huge amounts of data containing many variables efficiently and quickly. This can be enhanced by means of quantum machine learning, which is going to be popularly used in our weather prediction for better understand the extreme future weather events. Another emerging drivers is global high-speed internet. Look, we call it global Wi-Fi. The 5G wireless technology is viewed as a key enabler for efficient response to disaster situations. IoT sensors generate vast amount of data that need to be communicated rapidly. And all that we see here today in our exhibition store is all about sensors. And the more populations of sensors increase, the more data analysis it is going to be. Drones, just next to our hall here, are being used effectively to transmit a real-time high-definition image instead of just waiting. A very good example is this. The Indian Earth Observation product market that is looking forward to grab the global market for nano and micro satellite, which is set to grow at more than 3 billion market. The Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, is looking to launch 3,000 nanosatellites in the next 10 years for surveillance and other space-based applications. These are some of the coming future emerging technologies that will enhance our capability of resilience. Therefore, what we do over the next 30 years will impact the future of precision weather forecasting. Emerging technologies will reinvent resilience for humanity over the next 30 years. In fact, the next evolution step, a future which is highly connected through sensors, sharing knowledge and data will enable us to be better prepared for precision weather predictions. When we say precision weather predictions, today as we talk of, I think few days ago, New York City was flooded. I do not know how precision weather predictions kick off there. Today as we talk of a small state located in Himalayas, a state called Sikkim, we have a cloudburst and glacial lake bursted. 32 people lost today. So here are the instances where we need a precision weather predictions. I think we all have to work towards that while developing our technologies. Our generations and next, we are living in the most ever exciting time in human histories. Therefore, what we do today should enable us to save more life efficiently. With that note, thank you so very much for your patience listening. If I have any doubts or questions, I may. Well, thank you once again.